Hey everyone, my name is Kaitie and today I'm going to answer a fitness question. You've probably heard people complaining about back pain when squatting all the time. And although there are many reasons, the root of the problem is most closely linked to your hips. In this video, I'm going to explain why you get back pain while squatting and show you how to get rid of it from a scientific perspective. So without further delay, let's get started. If your hip joint is in any way restricted during a squat, your tailbone will tuck underneath your body as you approach the bottom of the rep. This phenomenon is most commonly referred to as butt winking, and although the direct cause isn't totally clear, it is hypothesized to be triggered by several key factors related to poor hip, hamstring, or ankle mobility, and erector spinae muscle weakness and a lack of connection between your core and lower limb muscles during dynamic movement. The pain itself might be caused by the stretching of your erector spinae muscles and various SI ligaments, or, in severe cases, the compression in the lumbar spine, which may trigger a disc herniation. Either way, you risk potential injury or dysfunction down the road. So how can this be fixed? Let's take a closer look. There is one quick way to address this problem. Grab a pair of small plates and place them underneath your heels during a squat. This gives your ankles a few extra degrees of mobility, which means more depth without the extra pelvic tilt. But if you want a more permanent solution, here are some exercises that will help. Grab some boxes and set them up at the height where your butt wink starts to kick in. From there, squat normally with an emphasis on exploding up and maintaining strong lumbar spine extension. Although you may lose some depth, this exercise will discourage butt winking from happening at all, which will promote better squatting habits long term. The second is the bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend the opposite arm and leg until they are in line with your spine. Make sure your shoulders and hips stay square to the ground. This exercise will help stabilize your hips and core at the same time under a less demanding load compared to a back squat. The third exercise is a foot elevated crunch. Position your feet on the seat of the rower and hands on the ground. Pull your feet towards your hands and bend your knees. Lower yourself back to a planking position and repeat. Similar to the bird dog, this exercise will help train your body to connect both abdominal and lower limb muscles during complex movement. Only this time, you are under increased load compared to the bird dog. Now that we've got some exercises to work with, let's add some mobility to your routine. First is the knee to wall drill. Face a wall and bring your foot 2 to 5 inches away from it. From there, drive the knee forward while keeping your heel down until it touches the wall. Take a small step back and repeat until you can no longer touch your knee to the wall while keeping the heel down. This will improve your ankle mobility, which will increase the range of motion during your squat before the butt wink kicks in. Perform this 4 times on each side before starting your workout. Second is the Instep lunge. Bring your left foot forward at a 90-degree angle and extend your other behind you. Lower yourself until your forearms are on the ground on the inside of your forward leg. You should feel a deep stretch in your hips. If you can't lower yourself to the ground, instead, bring your left arm up over your head and twist at the core. In addition to loosening up the hips, this also provides your body with some extra core and lower limb connection. Give the program in the description below a try and let me know how it works out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Thank you all so much for watching and stay strong.